Welcome to Treasure Coast Outdoorsman. This is Jensen Beach, Causeway. Look at that beautiful sunset. The boys is out trying to catch him a fish. See the sun going down on the left hand side? It's reflecting off these buildings, making them look like they're on fire. Look at that. Looks like it's on fire, don't it? And we got a special treat. Tugboats came through. Never seen two of them like this together. Hey, if you like this, check out my page, Treasure Coast Outdoorsman. Also, I have a cooking page, Smokeaholics Barbecue World. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Check them both out. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.